Hey, how are you? Welcome to the Rescheck blog. We just wanted to go through and update you. Today is the day that Rescheck Web is under maintenance, so pretty important day for do-it-yourself Rescheck creators. We wrote a blog post earlier in the week called Rescheck Web Maintenance Schedule, and we alerted you to the existence of this new warning label at the top of your screen in red. It says Rescheck Web will undergo scheduled maintenance starting Friday, March 15th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We anticipate resuming normal operations Saturday, March 16th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So we're right there in the middle of that. So, this is a very rare occasion, kind of like a eclipse or something. You don't really see the software go down that much. We've written some articles studying the times it does go down. It's usually on a weekend. It's usually in the middle of the month, 15th or 16th. And whenever you do go to Rescheck Web today, you'll see that it says page not found. The software is not there. On a normal day, it would look something like this. You'd see the Rescheck logo, some login screens. But today, it's page not found because Rescheck Web is being updated. So what we wanted to give you is just a couple simple tips from this Rescheck Web maintenance schedule. There's 3 tips on here. That way you can get a Rescheck created today if you need one. If you want us to create one, we can. You can email your plans to service@rescheck.info. We need PDF plans, job site address, and square footage. And the other tips are you can use Rescheck Desktop. That's a version that's downloaded to your computer instead of used online. And the second version is you could do all the calculations by hand, and then you wait till Rescheck Web reopens with full functionality, then take your handwritten notes and transcribe that information into Rescheck Web and create your Rescheck that way. You can do your Reschecks now. So that advice was for Rescheck blog post readers from earlier in the week. We noticed that warning sign, gave us the exact times it was going down, so we just put out the alert, said, you know what, go ahead and get those Reschecks done. Don't save them for Saturday whenever they're updating the software, because it may or may not show up. We may look at this afternoon at 3 or 4 o'clock, and it may be back up, might have some limited functionalities. You might get a lot of spinning wheels, and it takes a little bit longer to load. It'll be interesting to see what the new updates are. We'll definitely keep you abreast of that. We thank you for reading the Rescheck blog and staying up to date. What you can do is if you need a Rescheck created, you go to www.rescheck.info. Then you're going to click on the Buy Now button. What that's going to do is that'll take you over to our online store. And you go down the screen. You see this $79 Rescheck. That's what you're going to want if you need a Rescheck. Order that, send us the order confirmation number, PDF plans, job site address, square footage, and we will get you taken care of. The website is www.rescheck.info, and the email is service@rescheck.info. Thanks again.